the root chakra. Be buff in your root chakra, your survival, your basic needs. Hello, greetings, Buffalo soldiers. Soldier on, have your needs met. That way, we can all hold space for each other. Deny each other approval, though. The more we give that nod of approval to each other, the lazier everyone gets. And I say step it up. Kick your own ass. Pretend you're a jackass, your own donkey. Whip your ass into shape. Come on. What the Buffalo soldiers? Come on. Stop waiting around, waiting for the right time, and take it. Just take it. I love you.